There's a puzzle carved so bold, pure wood and tiger might. Circle cut, claws tucked, every piece laser cut by Bangkok crafty crafters working dusk until dawn. Wop, wop, while the tiger stares. Wop, wop, woo, in puzzle pairs. Mahogany dreams and lacquerite pride, each curve reveals the jungle wide. Its gaze so fierce it holds your soul, locked in the grain, rocking out of control. That tiger's eye, burning deep in the wood, burning deep in the wood, roaring through the jigsaw like only tigers could. Spin it around piece by piece it sings a wild Siam rhythm with fiery wings. Sha-na-na-na-na, don't blink away. Sha-na-na-na, let the jungle stay. From Cain to Saw Duang we echo the beat, mixing blues with Thai soul. It's raw and sweet. Craft a sound and sound a form. This tiger puzzle storms your norm.